Welcome back to Easy English Daily. Today's a big one. 50 words to level up your everyday English, grouped into 5 easy categories. Let's dive in. 1. Grateful. Thankful. I'm grateful for this opportunity. 2. Overwhelmed. Too much to handle. The workload left me overwhelmed. 3. Anxious. Worried. Nervous. She felt anxious before the interview. 4. Content. Stress the second syllable, not like the noun content. Satisfied. He's content with his simple life. 5. Frustrated. Annoyed by difficulty. I was frustrated with the slow Wi-Fi. 6. Hopeful. Expecting good things. We're hopeful about the results. 7. Embarrassed. Ashamed, awkward. He felt embarrassed after tripping. 8. Curious. Eager to learn. She's curious about other cultures. 9. Confident. Sure of yourself. He spoke with confident energy. 10. Nostalgic. Missing the past fondly. This song makes me nostalgic. 11. Resilient. Bounces back from hardship. She's resilient after every setback. 12. Genuine. Sincere, real. He gave a genuine smile. 13. Ambitious. Driven to succeed. She's ambitious about her career. 14. Humble. Not boastful. He stayed humble despite his success. 15. Stubborn. Refuses to change. My dad is stubborn about routines. 16. Empathetic. Understands others' feelings. She's empathetic toward her students. 17. Disciplined. Controlled, consistent habits. He's disciplined with his workouts. 18. Optimistic. Expects the best. Stay optimistic about the future. 19. Reserved. Quiet, keeps to themselves. He's reserved in large groups. 20. Assertive. Confidently direct. Be assertive when negotiating. 21. Consistent. Steady, regular. Consistent effort brings results. 22. Productive. Gets a lot done. I had a productive morning. 23. Efficient. Works well, no waste. This method is more efficient. 24. Dedicated. Fully committed. She's dedicated to her craft. 25. Innovative. Creatively new. It's an innovative solution. 26. Competent. Skilled, capable. He's a competent manager. 27. Reliable. Can be trusted to deliver. She's always reliable. 28. Proactive. Acts before problems arise. Be proactive, not reactive. 29. Versatile. Adaptable, many skills. He's a versatile worker. 30. Meticulous. Very careful with details. She's meticulous with her reports. 31. Exhausted. Extremely tired. I'm exhausted after that shift. 32. Convenient. Easy, useful. This app is very convenient. 33. Essential. Absolutely necessary. Water is essential for life. 34. Tedious. Boring, repetitive. The paperwork was tedious. 35. Spontaneous. Unplanned, impulsive. We took a spontaneous trip. 36. Hectic. Very busy, chaotic. Mornings are hectic with kids. 37. Mundane. Ordinary, boring. It was a mundane Tuesday. 38. Refreshing. Renewing, pleasant. A refreshing walk outside. 39. Cluttered. Messy, disorganized. My desk is cluttered today. 40. Organized. Neat, well-arranged. She keeps an organized schedule. 41. Supportive. encouraging, helpful. My friends are very supportive. 42. Loyal, faithful, devoted. He's loyal to his team. 43. Trustworthy, deserving of trust. She's a trustworthy friend. 44. Considerate, thoughtful of others. He's considerate of my time. 45. Affectionate, warm, loving. The dog is very affectionate. 46. Understanding, patient, empathetic. She's understanding when I'm late. 47. Patient, calm, tolerant of delay. He's patient with beginners. 48. Sincere, honest, heartfelt. That was a sincere thank you. 49. Compassionate, caring about suffering. She's compassionate towards strangers. 50. Dependable, reliable, trustworthy. He's always dependable. That's all 50. Pick your favorite 5 and use them in a sentence today. Drop them in the comments. See you in the next lesson.